All right, we're demonstrating the use of the Heartsine AED. This is assuming that someone's already found this person down, they've checked for response, sent somebody to call 911, get the AED, started, looked for normal signs of breathing. With no breathing, started compressions. We've got the AED, arrived at the patient's side, and now we're going to use the AED as soon as we get to the patient's side. However, we want to keep the compressions going right up until we actually have the pads out and are ready to place them on the patient. If we're alone in the response, then we always want to get the AED as soon as possible and use it on the patient. And so what we're going to do, as always, is start by just hitting the on button, and then we're going to follow the prompts.
Training scenario 1. Adult patient. Call for medical assistance.
Called for 911.
Remove clothing from patient's chest
Open
to
up the
expose bare skin.
First responder kit, we have the heavy-duty trauma
Pull green
shears.
tab to remove pads.
Now you can take the AED out of the case, or you can just pull the tab here, which case
Peel pads from liner.
we'll grab this other green tab, pull the pads out.
Apply pads to patient's bare chest, as shown in picture. Press pads firmly to patient's bare skin.
Each side has a diagram. We'll peel that off.
Pull green tab to remove pads. Peel pads from liner.
You see it stays with us and it doesn't get too far ahead.
Apply pads to patient's bare chest, as shown in picture. Press pads firmly to patient's bare skin.
The AED
Assessing heart rhythm. Do not touch the patient.
senses when the pads are on, analyzes. We're going to say everybody stand clear.
Analyzing. Do not touch the patient. Stand clear of patient. Shock advised. Stand clear of patient. Press the orange shock button now.
Everybody clear. Shocking.
Shock delivered. Begin CPR. It is safe to touch the patient.
We'll get
Place
on.
overlapping hands in middle of chest. Press directly down on the chest in time with metronome. Remain calm. Good speed.
So it's going to walk me through with that metronome rate for my compression rate, and I want to remember to go 2 to 2.4 inches on my compressions. I'm going to go through 5 cycles of CPR, 30 compressions and two breaths, 5 times, or if I'm doing compression only, I'll just do 200 compressions. And in either case, I want to go for 2 minutes, approximately 2 minutes, and then I'm going to reassess. The great thing is with the AED on, we're just going to listen to the prompts, and it's going to go through that metronome for the full 2 minutes, and then it's going to reanalyze at the end of the 2-minute period. So it will tell us when it's time to reanalyze, at which point we'll just stand clear, and while it's analyzing the heart rhythm, we'll just look ourselves for any signs of spontaneous movement or breathing. It's going to tell us whether or not a shock is advised. If no shock is advised, it's going to tell you to check the patient, and if still no breathing, continue CPR. If it does tell you to shock again, you'll just follow the prompts and shock the patient again, and then again get right onto the chest with CPR, and just continue following the prompts of the AED until help arrives or until the patient is revived.